How to make a playlist on Spotify. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over and click onto this plus icon. Then click onto this playlist option. Now you can just name your playlist right here. So for example, let's put in here Paramore and then click onto this create option. Now on default, your playlist will be a public playlist. So in order to add some songs, you can click onto this add to this playlist option. And then you can just search in here for songs that you want to add. So since this playlist will be for Paramore songs, I will search for Paramore and then add in here some songs. I'll continue doing that until I have the desired number of songs that I want added into this playlist. So let me just look for those right here. And then as you can see, those songs have now been added. So that's how you make a playlist on Spotify. Hope you helped.